Okay, this is a walk around of my S10 wood burning truck. Figured this is just playing with a new camera Chris set me up with. We'll try doing one of these walk arounds like everybody does. And this here is the blower setup. These are the five blowers. One of which will be reversed. And see, we'll go down the condensate tank is right under the hay filter. The 4-inch up into the bottom of the hay filter. 5-inch into the bottom of the cooler, and fed by 5-inch on the top. And custom chassis in the back. 4-link coilovers. Yeah, sits nice and low to the ground, as you can see. And the other side, put a few extra cooling tubes on the hopper. I think there's 16 altogether. And of course we've got flames. It's flames out of the lid already. Kind of slick deal. Haven't put them on yet, but I just set them up there to show. And got a nice clean out door. The door is can open, turn it, opens up, and close it the same way. Tighten it up to whatever you want. And adjustable hinges. A moderator tank here. Stuff's getting a little close to the ground, but I think it'll be okay. And here's the manifold and air inlets so far. They were electric, motor-driven or drive-by-wire throttle bodies with the motors and housings all machined off them. And little blowout valve, 500 CFM Holley. Pretty much all the linkage is hooked up. We're going to, seeing that I'm not going to be using it this fall, I'm going to take the time to relocate the radiator in the back, because I have no room for 3-inch supercharger pulleys. They're going to end up on the front of the motor. So the radiator is going to end up on the back. Haven't really decided what to do about that. But oh yeah, the intake blowers are over here. Yep, there's my 2 intakes. For right now, I just have rubber caps on them. Probably will end up doing it that way for a while. So that's the walk around. We'll give you some updates later on. Bye.